Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing the twirl effect part 2. If you watched the previous video then that will show you how to do the twirl, which is this one here. This video I'm going to be showing you how to put an image on top of this twirl, and it's going to look something like that. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to lay the twirl on top of the image. So here we've got the twirl. That's the one I made in the first video. And we'll click the move tool, and if you hold the mouse button down, take that up to your image, bring it back down and release the mouse button. Then just move it around until it's over the top of the image. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the layer. We're going to actually put a mask on. So we'll click the mask button down here at the bottom, and there you get the mask. I'm going to go over to the left and select the brush tool, and I'm going to set it on 50% opacity. You need to make sure you've got black as your foreground colour. Say OK to that. Select the brush. Make sure you're on the mask. I'm going to paint away. In fact, what we'll do is we'll lower the opacity so you can see the image underneath. So we make sure we're on the mask. We've got a black brush, 50% opacity. So we'll start painting the flower out. And we just use 50% opacity at the moment. You can just keep building it up. Fairly large brush. And you can see where you're painting out. I might use a larger one. Keep painting out until you can't see the twirl. Now we'll try 25% opacity. So type in 25 at the top. Bit smaller brush, and we can go around the edges. Bring in some more of the flower in. And if you make a mistake, you can always switch it to white. Just put that bit of stem down there. Bring a bit of stem in. Change to white. There as well. I think you've got a general idea. And that is how you put the image over a twirl. It doesn't work with every image. I think this just fits it well. You know, if you look there, it's sort of in line with that twirl there. I think it does work quite well. So if you enjoyed that video, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you've got any questions, please come back to me, leave it in the comments below, and I'll probably see you on the next one. Okay, take care.